Welcome to this lecture on conflict definition and types of conflicts. In this session, we will explore the concept of conflict, its various forms, and strategies to address them effectively. Conflicts are an inevitable part of our personal and professional lives, but understanding them can help us manage them better. By the end of this presentation, you'll gain insights into how conflicts arise, the different types they take, and how to resolve them efficiently. Let's dive in and start learning. Conflict is a natural part of human interactions, especially in organizational settings. It is defined as a process where one party perceives that their goals or interests are hindered by another party. According to K.W. Thomas, conflict begins when one party feels that another party is blocking their goals. Robbins adds that conflict often involves deliberate actions to frustrate another's efforts. These definitions highlight that conflict arises from differences in goals, perceptions, and priorities, which can either be constructive or destructive depending on how they are managed. Conflicts can be classified into intergroup, intragroup, interpersonal, and intrapersonal conflicts. Intergroup conflicts occur between departments or groups, often due to disagreements over resources or goals. Intragroup conflicts happen within a group, which can disrupt relationships and group performance. Interpersonal conflicts are common and arise from personality clashes, differences in values, or miscommunication between individuals. Intrapersonal conflict, on the other hand, is an internal struggle within an individual, often involving competing goals or priorities. Each type of conflict has unique implications and requires tailored strategies for resolution. Intrapersonal conflicts are common in decision-making scenarios. The first type, approach-approach conflict, involves choosing between two equally appealing options, like deciding between two dream job offers. Approach-avoidance conflict arises when a single goal has both positive and negative aspects, such as accepting a promotion that includes relocation. Avoidance conflict forces individuals to choose between two undesirable outcomes, like choosing between resignation or a salary cut. Finally, multiple approach-avoidance conflict is more complex, involving multiple goals with both positive and negative elements. These scenarios reflect the challenges of internal decision-making. Coping with intrapersonal conflicts often involves the use of defense mechanisms like aggression, where individuals respond forcefully to barriers, or withdrawal, where they avoid the situation. Fixation occurs when one persists with ineffective solutions, while compromise involves selecting a less ideal but acceptable option. Practical strategies include achieving role and goal clarity, which helps reduce stress and ambiguity, and cognitive restructuring, where individuals address and resolve inconsistencies in their thoughts. These methods help individuals navigate complex internal struggles effectively and make balanced decisions. Intrapersonal conflicts manifest in various scenarios, such as frustration when external barriers hinder goal achievement, leading to aggression or withdrawal. Goal conflicts often involve balancing conflicting desires, like pursuing a challenging opportunity while fearing potential risks. Role conflicts occur when individuals are torn between competing responsibilities, like balancing team and organizational demands. Cognitive dissonance, on the other hand, arises when there's a mismatch between personal values and professional actions, leading to stress. Recognizing these scenarios is key to effectively managing internal conflicts. Interactive conflicts can occur between individuals, interpersonal, or groups, intergroup. Interpersonal conflicts often stem from personal differences, miscommunication, role incompatibility, or stress. For instance, misinterpreted emails can escalate misunderstandings. Intergroup conflicts arise from factors like resource allocation, task interdependence, or unclear jurisdictions. For example, delays by one team can disrupt another's progress. Addressing the causes of these conflicts requires clear communication, defined roles, and resource management strategies to foster collaboration. Intrapersonal and interpersonal conflicts differ in nature and dynamics. Intrapersonal conflicts occur within an individual, often involving self-reflection and competing goals, such as balancing work and family. Interpersonal conflicts, however, occur between individuals due to differences in values, opinions, or personalities, like disagreements over shared responsibilities. While intrapersonal conflicts require personal introspection to resolve, interpersonal conflicts often need mediation, negotiation, or compromise to reach a resolution. Effective conflict management involves using strategies like collaboration for win-win outcomes or compromising to find an acceptable middle ground. Techniques such as active listening, clear communication, and role clarity help prevent and resolve conflicts. For example, defining shared goals between teams ensures cooperation and reduces tension. Recognizing the appropriate strategy based on the conflict type is essential for fostering a productive environment. Thank you for watching this video on conflict definition and types of conflicts. If you found this content useful, don't forget to like the video and share it with others who might benefit from it. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss our upcoming lectures on organizational behavior and more. Your support helps us create more such educational content. Thank you, and see you in the next video.